Hello, this is Brian Vincent of Pure Energy Paranormal. On Sunday, October 1st, a very interesting development occurred. In the past, my Blink Mini camera has, from time to time, captured light anomalies. The camera is motion activated, and when it's when motion's detected, it'll record a 30-second video clip. Of course, this camera is high definition with night vision capabilities, of course, and usually that's pretty much all that is seen in those clips, is a light anomaly manifesting, spirit orb. But in this case, it was not only just a light anomaly that manifested, but a poltergeist happened. Here is the original 30-second video clip. Now, did you see that? 3 seconds in, you can see a bright white orb going in a straight line in the living room. Subsequently, there were other light anomalies that were seen. And then at the 12-second mark of this video, you see the light switch turning on. Now, during the entire first 12 seconds of this video, where am I? Where is my spouse? Neither one of us are seen transversing across the hallway from right to left, from the master bedroom to the bathroom. Now, as far as the debunking process is concerned, this one has its challenges. But as you will see in a moment, I was able to overcome those challenges. Right off the bat, I know that the only time that I was up out of bed at all was around 5:30 in the morning. And when I talked to my spouse about this, to the best of her recollection, she was not up at all during the night that night. So basically, that in itself is not good enough. Okay? That's not good enough at all. So I was trying to figure out, okay, it's like there's got to be something more to this. There's got to be another clue or clues that could hint of possible poltergeist paranormal activity here. Now, let's begin the debunking process. Now, as you will see in this picture that I'm about to show to you right now, you can see that when I'm reaching for the light switch to turn on the light in the bathroom, that my body is still quite significantly standing in the hallway and would have been in the line of sight of the camera. And as a force of habit, both my spouse and I, if we're going to enter the bathroom and we need to turn on the light to go in there, we're usually standing partially, or if not fully, in the hallway as we're reaching for the light switch. So like I said, once again, my spouse and I are nowhere to be seen in this entire video clip, with 12 seconds of lead time from the time the video was recorded to the time the light switch turned on. But still, that doesn't quite suffice, now does it? So I got to dig a little deeper here. So what about the possibility, and I know some viewers were probably getting ready to ask this question to me in terms of posting a comment on YouTube, that was it possible that one of us was in the bathroom for a considerable amount of time before the camera recorded? And then at some point while we were out of sight in the bathroom, turn on the light switch. That's always a possibility. Don't get me wrong. So once again, this is all part of going through a thorough debunking process here. Now, the clue that I needed to rule out any possibility of either my spouse or myself being in the bathroom at all can be ruled out by simply analyzing the light that is shining out of the bathroom onto the hallway floor. Now, throughout the 18 seconds remaining in this video of the time the light switch turned on, you will clearly see the light shining out of the bathroom onto the hallway floor consistently, without any change to the amount of light shining out of the bathroom. Up next is a video clip recreating this particular moment, and I'm actually standing inside the entranceway to the bathroom, not visible on camera, and then I turn on the light switch. Watch what happens as I'm standing in the doorway to the bathroom and subsequently move deeper into the bathroom. Do you see how the light shining from the bathroom changes as I move from approximately in the doorway by the light switch deeper into the bathroom? You clearly see a considerable amount of change to the amount of light shining out there. In the original video clip, when the light switch turned on mysteriously, there's absolutely no change to the amount of light that is shining into the hallway from the bathroom. So with that in mind, here are a couple of other pictures I've taken of the bathroom. Now, the light in the bathroom is above the mirror, which is above the vanity. It's not a ceiling-mounted light, as you see in the pictures. So basically, here's a quick rundown of all the facts. Number 1, motions detected. Camera records. Picks up a light anomaly, manifesting and going in a straight, intelligent line, intelligent movement across the living room. and that's around the 3 to 4 second mark of the video. At the 12-second mark, the light switch turns on mysteriously. You can even hear the clicking sound of the light switch quite plainly. And once again, where am I? Where's my spouse? We are nowhere to be seen, because I know I wasn't up in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom, and to the best of my spouse's recollection, she was not up at all during the course of the night. And I noticed in the original video clip that the light coming from the bathroom is extremely bright and unchanged. And I'm like, okay, if somebody turned on the bathroom light switch, where's the shadow? Where is the dimming of the light that should occur? It wasn't there. And I demonstrated that with the second video clip, where I got the security camera to manually record, to demonstrate to you the changing of how much light was coming out of the bathroom when somebody's actually standing there. Now, as you can see in the pictures where I lean towards the light switch, either coming in or as I'm in the bathroom and reaching for it from that particular position, I am no more than about 4 feet into the bathroom, and in front of the vanity, and above the vanity is the light for the bathroom. So when the light switch is turned on, there shouldn't be that much light shining into the hallway. Based on that last and final clue that I needed, that was not going to allow me to debunk this as something that occurred because of either myself or my spouse turning on the light switch, I'm declaring this particular moment that happened, that was caught on camera, to be a genuine poltergeist paranormal activity moment. We've all seen what other paranormal investigators have documented over the years, and eyewitness accounts of homeowners who claim that their place is haunted. Light switches are being turned on, TVs are being turned on and off, and so on and so forth. And I can tell you that after what has happened on the morning of October 1st, I can genuinely say that this type of poltergeist activity is indeed real. On that note, folks, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like this video. And as always, feel free to leave commentary or feedback. If you got any questions, I will do my very, very best to answer them as honestly and to the point as possible. But as always, please keep commentary kind and respectful and constructive. Thank you for watching. This is Brian Vincent from Pure Energy Paranormal, signing off.